Hello friends, I'm Explorer A and today we are at LuLu, which is near I'll tell you the location. I'm not sure because I don't really know right now. So we'll be exploring this LuLu hypermarket. So stay tuned with me and subscribe me, like my channel. Welcome at LuLu. Welcome. So we will be eating our breakfast here. This is the food court. Lots of are closed right now. You can see. This one is the main Indian breakfast. And there is the LuLu hypermarket. So we will be eating at Sarwara Bhavan. And I'll give you a tour of this small ride here. Let's go. For kids, for small kids, we got first entertainment right here, which is nice. We got elevators. So we got gold shop here. I think we should enter the market right now, but let's go. Wait, what? OMG! This is my bicycle! I have a same bicycle like this. This yellow one. Oh, there's one missing thing that it doesn't have gears in it. I have a gear one. And it doesn't have this. And it doesn't have gold rims. And it's not one. I'm disappointed. Big wheels. We got Christmas preparation, coffee machines, bags, everything. Now let's go eat. I'm hungry. I did not even have breakfast. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I hope you're enjoying the video. Since I will be giving you the full tour of the hypermarket also. People are starving with me. Biryani. I think we got street shops also. All are closed mostly. Ooh, cycles. Cycles. Is this an 80? Oh, this one's nice. I like this one. How much does it game cost? Let me ask. It got real suspension. Nice wheels. It sounds. The interior is also good. But I can't say that. Lol. I think the price isn't mentioned here. I'm asked. Let me ask it. Excuse me. How much is that white one?
64.
64. So this one right here is 64 kg. Barbie stuff here. Watches. This one nice. We got gym accessories. So much gym accessories. We got treadmills. What is this? Well, I don't know this. Comment down. I'll go inside later just because, yes. I think this is a game. Wow, I like it. I must sit down. It's comfortable. It's nice. It's nice. Subscribe, please. Thank you. So I guess we have to go because the entrance there is closed. We got 10th house. What's this? This time is 42. Time for the hypermarket. So first section is soaps, as you can see, and soaps, Vaselines, and much more. Bandage, ooh, bandage. Bandage kinda expensive, huh?
So, nasa page for the staff from household.
What
It was seen to us
in the world?
Page for the staff from household.
Yeah, finally released. Nice. Aha, MM's cards. I'll take it all three too. Ah, man. So here's the frying area. What is this? Canned food? Cooking? 1 second. soupy. So many soup, so many canned oil. And let's go. That's the spice area, ketchup area, chips area, cornflakes area, water bottle area, baking area. I hope this is my favorite. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this, and thanks for subscribing me. Oh man, I love this so much. This is the best thing ever. I think you should try it too. Wait. Oh yeah, and I forgot that. Who knows this? I know you know this is Oreo, but it's the limited edition. We got cake of it. The cake is also nice. It's like too good. This one is the Oreo, but it's got a different flavor. It's a chocolate one. This one is milk chocolate. It's like same only, but it's more milky. And this one is the most coolest one. What is this? It's the golden one.
Proceed to chill out number 7. Patron furnish staff from cleaning to chill out number 7. Thank you.
So we got the X station. I don't know what do we call this station. Let's just check it out. It's called IDK. Lol. I don't know. It is just written. Okay, fine. At least we know this one. This is the hot food. We can get ready-made food here, which is really tasty. Okay, this one is, I saw the name right here. It's Delicatessen. Check out my street food festival video too, because that's fun. Really fun. Not really. Okay, then there are two more places to go in LuLu HyperMarket right now. One is the underground and the one is in the roof, the second floor. In the second floor we almost get okay, so it's not here. Oh man. Oh yeah, by the way, this thing is also nice. It's like tasty, and this is the most favorite thing of mine. I buy this a lot of times. You know, it's a lava cake which you have to warm it in the oven. No, not in the microwave for like 1 or 2 minutes. Then it's ready, and you have to put it in the plate, and then it's so tasty to eat. When you take a bite, the lava comes out like the chocolate. It's like melted chocolate called as lava, molten lava. We got some fake donuts here. It's not fake, huh? Oh man. Actually, this is not the biggest one. The biggest one is near the airport. And I don't know what that area is. And I don't know which this area is. So they both are confusing. So I'll write the location in description for you guys, and you should visit it. We got the roastery here, where you can find beans and spices also, chocolates, and much more. Yes, yeah, this is all we need. This is so nice. You should eat this, but in orange flavor as a pill. It's really tasty. I buy this every time, not a single time I left it. But sometimes it's not available, so I have to leave it. Okay, so now I must stop recording. It's already 5. Now I'm pretty tired, and this is the good time to end the video. So let's roll and tune, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and comment. And I love your comments. They're so interesting, and I comment each of them. So let's roll and tune, and let's go. Oh, this is too heavy.